it would have been dibs.
Strawberry cocoa latte.
You want blue? No! You!
Hey.
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 Hi.
Hey. We endorse monsters in our videos.
Say a spell. Say a spell.
Abracadabra! Oh.
We were talking earlier how you and Colin make a really good couple.
Are you videotaping stuff?
I'm getting some pretty cool pictures.
I'm taking some pretty cool pictures. Thank you. Thanks, Ty. I love you. Get off me!
Yes. Yes.
What? That was the finale? Are you kidding me? That's not it.
Yeah.
Watch out, guys. There's more coming.
Yeah, good
I can't believe everybody's cheering for something that was so pathetic. They scared her. I just hit someone doesn't like fireworks. I love Garrett.
I should be here. You cut me out.
I like to be in
You always cut him out.
Leave me alone. I want to see my...
Leave him alone. Admit it. I'm a hot mess.
You're a hot mess, Allie. No, Allie's an actress.
It's you, Ty.
I don't...
You crapped your pants. You crapped your pants, Ty. Admit it. You crapped your pants. Like someone's following us.
It's very scary.
This is our video. If we don't make it out alive, there's someone following us. Look at them blow this popsicle stand. Zombie. How you doing?
Good.
What time is it?
Summertime.
It's our vacation from that place.
I'd be scared if like the cops came.
Don't touch that.
Stop it. Stop it.
Bro! We're going! Someone's stupid.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. I think it's time.
Oh, my exes live in Texas.
Yeah. I love the song.
No! Black Jesus.
Black.
There's no such thing as Black Jesus.
I am Black Jesus.
Let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me.
Hell yeah!
Hey guys, it's Nicole. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.